Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the stunning exterior design of the 2025 Lincoln Nautilus. This luxury SUV not only represents sophistication but also embodies a bold statement on the road. Let's explore the details that make it stand out. Starting at the front, the Nautilus features an updated, signature Lincoln grille. This grille is expansive and elegantly framed, adorned with a distinctive chrome finish that commands attention. The integration of the Lincoln Star emblem at its center enhances its luxury appeal. The 2025 Nautilus also showcases sleek, sculpted LED headlights that perfectly complement the grille. These lights not only provide excellent visibility, but also feature a unique light signature that creates a memorable nighttime presence. Moving along the side, the Nautilus boasts a fluid silhouette, emphasizing its sporty yet sophisticated nature. The elongated body lines create an aerodynamic profile, while the prominent wheel arches add a touch of ruggedness. Speaking of ruggedness, the Nautilus comes equipped with beautifully designed alloy wheels. These wheels are available in various sizes and finishes, ensuring that each Nautilus can be personalized to your taste. Now let's take a look at the rear. The back of the Nautilus is just as captivating, featuring wraparound LED taillights that enhance visibility while giving the SUV a modern look. The sculpted rear bumper adds to its athletic stance, and the dual exhaust outlets provide a sporty finish. Overall, the 2025 Lincoln Nautilus seamlessly blends elegance with a commanding road presence. Its striking design is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the exterior of the 2025 Lincoln Nautilus, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. Until next time, drive safe and stay stylish.